Hey guys, Maurice here. This is my first video in a series. I'll continue about programming concepts. If there's anything on me cover, just go ahead and email me. Okay guys, so first I'm going to teach you how to make your very first program in Visual Studios. If you don't currently have Visual Studios, you can go to dreamspark.com, sign up with your .edu email if you're a student, and you can get Visual Studios for free. So it's one of the great things Microsoft does. So now, once Visual Studios is loaded up, first thing you're going to see is tutorial videos, any programs you might have, a little start area. One thing we want to do first, let's go to tools. Right now I have mine set to a dark theme. By default it's light. I'm not a huge fan of it, especially if I'm doing any programming at night. It hurts my eyes, so I always leave it to dark. There's also blue. Another thing I would recommend doing is go down to your text editor, expand it, all languages, and check line numbers. It's extremely helpful. By default it's disabled, to make sure we just enable that. So we hit OK. Let's do a new project. We want to do Win32 console application, so Visual C++ at the very top, and let's go ahead and name it Hello World, our very first program. We hit next. We want to do an empty project, make sure we can start it up how we want to. So right now everything is blank. Right over here you have your Solution Explorer toolbar. Let's right click on source files, add new, and C++ file. That's what we're working in today. Go ahead and name it whatever you want. I always like to choose main because it's the main part of my program I'm going to be working in. So now it's empty. First thing we want to do, pound include IOStream. Now this is just a library some other programmers have came up with that allows us to print to the console so we can see output, and you'll see that here in a sec. Next we want to do using namespace standard. This just allows us to type a little quicker, and then the main body of our program will be int main, some brackets, and let's return 0. So now to do our first program, we gotta tell the world hello. Let's do cout, arrow, arrow, hello, world. Arrow, arrow again, same direction. So first off, this just cout allows us to print to the console. Our arrows, whatever between these two arrows will get printed. If you're trying to do text, make sure you always put quotes around it. It's the double quotes, not the single. And then this part right here, just end line, so it just brings us down one new line, as if you're in Microsoft Word and you just hit enter, exact same thing. So we go debug, start without debugging, hit yes, doing its thing, and voila, hello world. You just made your very first program, congratulations. Alright, stay tuned, I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of these videos on varying programming concepts. So, have a good day guys.